Hello and welcome back to the channel, if you are new here. Hi, I'm Carolyna, or you can call me Kaz, and as you can tell by my look and this in front of me and something else I'm going to show you in a minute. This is my number 7, my ruby slippers gloss. I think it's actually discontinued, which is a shame because it's really pretty and what you all are waiting for. 1 minute, here it is. The Wizard of Oz Loungefly backpack in its beautiful full glory. And yes, I did have to get sort of like Dorothy'd up for this. Yeah, well, I didn't have to do much really, just that, but yeah. Anyway, let's get into the bag with you. Emptied everything out. This is what you can fit into it. It's a lot of stuff. I've got this. Got this. Dress book, medicine, you never know, glasses, just put all that down there, chocolate, stick, you know, you never know when you need a snack. I need a snack. Socks, not mine, too small. Pouch for my keys. What else we got in there? And my little zipper gut. No, nothing in there. So anyway, here we go. All my things are out so you can see the bag. Let's start with the artwork, shall we? So, outside, you've got this lovely wavy bit of the bag. You've got the Wizard of Oz logo sign here. Loungefly there. You've got the characters here, sort of embossed, a little bumpy when you go across them. This bit also is textured. This bit comes up like this. I think I bent mine a little bit, but you can just bend it backwards. I think I put in my car, put it down, and the back of the seat must have pushed it a little bit. So just bear that in mind if you do pick this one up. Be careful with this bit. But yeah, it's a very beautiful bag. And this bit's really cool. It's like really shiny, but it's not rough or anything like that. The glitter doesn't come off. Nice long straps. On the back, it's got the dude in the back saying, "Who rang that bell?" I've been using this one. Yeah, this is my go-to bag now. I'm wearing a lot. Underneath is the shiny as well. Really nice straps. Really nice zip. Open closes really smooth, like butter. Pockets, quite deep pockets. At the moment in mine, what have I got? Got some Elmo tissues. Nice artwork inside. Don't know if my camera's picking it up. Hopefully you can see. Inside the artwork. Get that rubbish out. Nice artwork inside. So the bag is sat like on top of the table. This is my arm. How much can we get in? So yeah, just below my elbow. You can fit quite a bit in here. But what you can't fit a lot in is this bit. This zip bit. It's nice. And the zip goes across nice, but you can't really, look, you can't put much in here at all, really. I mean, look, little pack of tissues. You could just about shove that in there and then try and do the zip up without getting caught. But what would you put in there? You could put, there you go. You could fit that in there. You could fit a lipstick or a lip seal in there and you can zip it up. I don't really use that pocket at the minute, to be honest. I do use the side ones. I always use the side ones. But yeah, it's my Dorothy Wizard of Oz backpack. I absolutely love it. I've always loved Wizard of Oz. Growing up, always watched The Wizard of Oz and The Return to Wizard of Oz. Both of them. Since I saw it, I had to get it. just grown up with it, and I really wanted it. And it is a lovely, stunning bag. The only negatives I would say is this pocket bit. I mean, but without it, I mean, I guess they could have no pocket here. They could have just still had this design and this wavy bit. But I don't know if they needed to make it like a pocket. But I get why they did, because they probably felt like it was like empty, like area, space where they could have put one. So yeah, it's kind of cool. And I guess you could put little things in it if you wanted to. But for now, oh, and inside it's got that little fluffy pocket that you can put things in. So I just put my keys in it. Yeah. It's a really lovely bag. Can't remember how much I paid for it. I didn't get it on sale or anything, and this video is not sponsored. I can't remember how much I got for it, but I will link it down below when I find out how much it was exactly. I want to say like £68. But it might have been like more like 78. I think it was like 68 or 78. More of the, yeah. But I'll let you know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this bag review. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as you're here, why not subscribe? And yeah, as you're here, why not subscribe? I do lots of Loungefly bag reviews, alternative fashion reviews, and lots of makeup fun reviews and makeup games on this channel. So yeah, yeah, it's my bag. Lovely, with my ruby slippers. Guys, I hope you enjoyed, and take care, and I'll see you soon with another video. Okay, thanks, bye.